All right, I walk into the club, and this is what I see. The worst bar ever that is staring at me.
Let's go.
Pete, what are you doing? It's gonna be way harder with such a goofy bar loaded like that.
Here comes the pump cover. You ready?
I see it.
You ready?
Yep. Oh, what's happening, y'all? We're out here at Ontario Warehouse. I am with the broker of Dream Huge, that place that I work for, the one and only Pete Peterson. He also just happens to be interested in bodybuilding. So him and I obviously hit it off. We're out here for a little chest day, and he's getting ready for a show. Right, Pete?
Yes, right.
I saw a video of you, Pete, the other day from 2 years ago.
Yeah.
You've always been in shape, but what you've put on in the last several years,
Yeah.
I couldn't believe it, Pete.
Thanks to you, brother.
Couldn't believe it.
Hey, if you guys want to put on some size and stay lean with gains, holla at your boy. Holla at your boy. Matt Trammel. Don't forget to download the app.
That's right. Ooh. 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 All right. What's the hardest thing for you to lock in on 3 weeks out, getting ready for your physique, right?
Yeah.
Physique guy. What's the hardest thing right now? 3 weeks.
So
It's got to be getting a little heavy right now.
You gotta have a calorie goal and you cannot exceed that. You know, that's the key, not going over your calorie goal. Because that.
So total calories.
Yes.
Got
Yeah. You know, I'm good with hitting the macros. I'm good with the cardio. I'm good with the workouts. The calories is the main thing.
Big
so
time.
you just gotta stay focused.
Dial it back,
Yeah.
right?
Yep.
Are you in a deficit right now? Pretty significant. What's the deficit?
Yeah, no, I'm like at 1,800 calories a day,
And you're normally at?
2,200, something like
So
that.
that's not horrible.
Yeah, so just gotta
But
lock
just
in
doing
more.
it, right?
Yeah, just gotta lock in more, stay focused.
One thing having the goal, but to hit it day in and day out.
Yeah,
That's where you see results.
consistency. Yeah, you take one day off on the weekend, it blows your entire week
Sure.
of progress.
Yeah, think about it, yeah.
So make it a strong end,
There you go.
not a weekend.
Ah,
Right? Let's
ooh.
go. Let's go.
All right, so talking to Pete about competing, food, what you're eating, what you're putting in your mouth is a huge deal. That is one of the biggest pieces of your fitness pie. This lifting part, when we're taking everything into consideration, pretty small piece of the pie. Eating, sleeping, and drinking, all right? You have to be sleeping 7 hours. Give me 7 hours. 5 hours is not enough. I need 7, maybe 8 hours, but at least 7. That's your recovery.
Oh yeah, let's go.
Ooh. Pause rep. Pause reps is when you pause. That last one. Every now and then, get a little pause rep in.
Let's go, baby.
I have a
let's go.
very particular way that I load my bars,
Ah.
and these guys clearly do not. So, what are you gonna do? You can't save them all. All right, someone give me a lift off on 3. I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, lift off. Oh boy. Good. Good, 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 good.
Shoo-wee. It works. We can make any weight feel
On 3.
heavy, y'all.
Ooh.
Let's go. Have a great chest day.
1, 2, 3. Good.
There you go, Matt. Let's get it.
Let's go. Come on. Give me two.
Come on, gains, gains, gains. Let's
Come on,
go.
one more. Fight it. Fight it.
Good. Good, good, good.
Look at all those drops, dude.
Bro.
Look at all those drops.
2.5 drops.
That could be the world's gnarliest drop
Drop,
set
drop,
on the
drop,
planet.
drop, 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 drop. All those drops.
You doing it?
Yeah.
What is that? A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. It's a drop set right there.
Yo, I say you do it.
To even think about getting under a bar that was dressed
Here.
like this,
Here, we got to
Is
put a few more on
blasphemy.
for you.
he's doing it. The drop set from
The huge drop.
that
It's
guy.
called a huge drop. Woo.
Bars. Space program.
Oh, dude. I'd rather you leave me on Mars than ever have to do a bar like that. Come on, Pete. You only got 16 more sets. 38 more sets to go, Pete.
Come on, come on.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Come on, Pete. Come on, Pete.
Take off the 10. Well, I'm here now. Yep,
Yeah.
You're good. You're good.
Give me.
You couldn't even tell because that bar's so wonky. You don't even know what's on there right now.
I really don't. There we go. There we go. Come on, baby. Ain't a drop set if you don't get 3, Pete.
Oh, yeah.
There we go.
Oh.
Take off 1. Let's go. Let's go.
What a good idea, Pete.
Come on, baby. Come on.
Let's load the bar like a ridiculous
There you go.
animal.
There we go.
Come on.
Pump him, Pete.
All right. Well, Pete may no longer be with us after this set, but that's fine.
Damn.
So eating, sleeping, drinking, that's it. And you need to recover as hard as you train. I know we like to train hard, but you have to recover as well. Active rest, sauna, walking, little light stretching maybe if you want to do that. But yeah, I do the sauna. I'm trying to do the sauna about 4 times a week, and that's really good. So just do things that you know are good, and don't do the things that you know are not good. I got guys that talk about wanting to get in shape, about beach body. They want to get a 6-pack, but they drink 5 times a week, and don't control what they put in their mouth. So you got to play by the rules based on your goals. How was that set, Pete? Was that pretty good?
It was a huge set.
3, go. A huge set.
Well, before you go on stage, I need one of those. Like pump right now.
Go, push, baby, push.
Take that 45 off.
Yeah.
Good. Good, good. Good, good. Ooh. Good. Goodness. Goodness, goodness. Up next is flies. It's got some little cable flies right here. Just get a good stretch on these and then squeeze. Yeah. Ooh. Squeeze. Come on, Pete. Let's go.
I'll take COVID or legal weed.
And a good chest pump is important. Ha! Oh, easy. To wrap up the video, I want you to tell these people how, when it comes to real estate, because we're about taking care of your body and your mind and your family and all of these important things. Real estate can allow you to be, to do very well in life.
Yeah.
Give me like a, however you break it down. This is the top 3, this is the top 1. How can I use real estate to allow myself to be free to do other things? Yes. Like get a gnarly chest pump.
All right.
Break it down for him, Pete.
You want me to go right here?
Right here, man, while I do flies.
Okay.
Break it down for him. There's the camera right there.
Look. Let me get him here. While he's getting fit, we're all about being fit and getting financially free.
That's right.
And how you can be financially free is invest in cash flowing real estate. Invest your money here on Main Street instead of investing on Wall Street. You get to invest locally, you get to grow your community, you get to grow your portfolio, you get to grow your passive income, which will ultimately lead to generational wealth and financial freedom for you and your family. Hit me up if you want to learn more. We're happy to help. We're out here doing it. You can do it too.
Amen,
Let's go,
Pete.
baby.
Yeah, buddy.
Boom.
All right, that's as much fun as we can have for today. We're going to keep going with chess, but you don't want to see any of that. I'll talk to you soon. Remember, Jesus loves you. And so do I. Talk to you soon.